بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 24 in your books. This is page 24. Hurry up, open it. Okay, students, on page 24, this is question 2. You can see here, this is question 2, and question 2 is which number comes before? Which number comes before? And dear students, we have already done this type of question before in the previous video lecture. The question was what comes before? Okay, do you remember that exercise? This is the similar one. We have to check that which number comes before all these numbers individually. Okay, we are starting from part A. And do you know the meaning of before? We have to check that कौन सा number इस number से पहले आता है, and for this we have to know how to count. And my dear students, all of you know how to count, so let's start doing this exercise. So tell me, we are doing part A. This is part A. Which number comes before 5? Tell me. Yes, very good. 4 comes before 5. So let's write here 4. Very good, students. Now tell me which number comes before 10. This is 10. Which number comes before 10? 9. Very good. We have to write 9. Okay, students, we have written here 9, and part C is which number comes before 18? Yes, 17. Very good. 17 comes before 18. So write down here 17. Okay, students, we have written here 17, and now part D. Part D is which number comes before 21? So tell me which number will come before 21? Very good. 20 comes before 21. Okay, students, now tell me which number comes before 26. Very good. 25 comes before 26. 25. Okay, 25, then 26 in counting. So write down here 25. Okay, students, now our question is 33 is here, and which number comes before 33? Very good. 32 comes before 33. Write down 32. Okay, students, now part G is which number comes before 40? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. 39 comes before 40. Okay, students, now as you can see that we have written here 39. So the next part is part H, and here it is written 49, and they are asking which number comes before 49. So the correct answer is very good, 48. 48 comes before 49. Okay, students, and now part I. Part I is which number comes before 56? 56 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? Very good, 55. 55, 56. So 55 is the correct answer. And now this is part J. Which number comes before 53? And the correct answer is 52. Very good. 52 comes before 53. 52 is the correct answer. And now we are on part K, and here we are having 68. And which number comes before 68? 67 comes before 68. So 67 is the correct answer. And now L. This is part L, and this is 74. Which number comes before 74? Very good. 73. 73 comes before 74. Very good. And now this is part M. This is 82. Which number comes before 82? Yes, 81. Very good. 81 comes before 82. This is 81. Very good. And now this is part N, and here we are having 87. This is 87, and they are asking which number comes before 87. Very good. 86 comes before 87. So we will write here 86. 86 is the correct answer. And now this is part O. Part O is which number comes before 90? 89. Very good. 89, 90. So students, who will tell me what is the meaning of before? The meaning of before is pehle. Okay. So all these numbers comes before. ये सारे नंबर जो हैं, ये जो हमने अभी राइट डाउन किए हैं, ये इन नंबर से पहले आते हैं काउंटिंग में. ओके, लेट्स चेक अगेन. 4 5, yes. 9 10, yes. 17 18, yes. 20 21, yes. 25 26, yes. 32 33, yes. 39 40, yes. 48 49, yes. 55 56, yes. 52 53, yes. 67 68, yes. 73 74, yes. 81 82, yes. 86 87, yes. 89 90, yes. So these are all the correct answers. Okay students, now it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to complete question 2 on page 24. Okay students, you have to complete this exercise, this question, and then you have to share the picture of this question in your WhatsApp group. This is your homework. You have to complete this exercise, then share the picture in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz students.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.